What is Rahul Gandhi up to? He is saying Maharashtra was rigged, Bihar will be next.
Pranesh, first of all, I think you need to realize that every time you mention Narendra Modi on the show, you mention him with Prime Minister. Do also mention Rahul Gandhi with the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha.
मालूम है आप जैसे लोगों को भी आजकल इज्जत से बुलाना पड़ता है.
On what basis has Rahul Gandhi said that elections in Maharashtra were rigged? Answer that question.
Absolutely, I'll tell you. Absolutely, I'll tell you that. In 2024 Lok Sabha elections conducted between April to May 2024 and state assembly elections conducted in November 2024, more than 1 crore voters were added. More than 100 election petitions were filed in the Maharashtra, in the Bombay High Court.
I am asking you the question for the third time. Which court of the land has said that Maharashtra polls were rigged? How is Rahul Gandhi pronouncing this, verdict on the people that polls in Maharashtra were rigged?
Court of the land, Punjab and Haryana High Court had also directed the Election Commission to give the CCTV footage of all the polling booths.
You are asking about what Rahul Gandhi ji has said about Maharashtra. You are talking about everything but that question. Is he lying or you don't know what to say?
मैं नहीं बताऊंगा.
Professor Pasha, specific question about how the CEC was appointed. पहले कैसे appointment होती थी sir?
Pranesh ji, first of all, I would like to congratulate the revolutionary people of the Bihar for making the Bandh a successful Bandh and uniting against the midnight attack on the voting rights of the people in the state. As your question is what is the question here? I think, can you repeat the question?
Sir, यही है, आप सवाल ही भूल गए, आपने सबको धन्यवाद दे दिया.
कैसे लोग रहते हैं यार यहाँ पर?
You ask anybody in the country, those who believe in democracy and constitution, they will let you know how the CEC is functioning today and how the CEC used
Sir,
to
I am not asking you about functioning. Appointment की बात कर रहा हूं मैं. पहले appoint कैसे होते थे?
It was the matter of credibility. Earlier, the appointment was not so biased. Today, why the finger is being raised against the EC? Because the performance of EC for the last so many years has not been up to the mark.
That's not true, sir.
So there is doubt.
No one is questioning the Election Commission's performance in Karnataka, in Himachal Pradesh, in Telangana, in Kerala, in Punjab. As long as opposition, wins in states, Election Commission is fine. If the BJP wins or if the opposition loses, the problem is with EC's integrity and with the mandate. Gerrymandering is, is a harsh term. Political manipulation.
सीमांचल बाढ़ की तबाही देता है, गांव का गांव तबाह हो जाता है, वो डॉक्यूमेंट कहां से देगा?
Larger question. For someone, and in this case the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi ji, to pass judgments on integrity of the CEC and functioning of Election Commission, क्या वो सही है? गोदी कमीशन बोलना सही है? बीजेपी आरएसएस एजेंट बोलना सही है? महाराष्ट्र इलेक्शन हाईजैक हुआ ये बोलना सही है? ये बताइए.
हम ये आपसे पूछना चाहते हैं, इलेक्शन कमीशन का जो एक्ट था, आज चीफ जस्टिस को क्यों हटा दिया मोदी जी? चीफ जस्टिस को रहने देते. इससे पहले वही मैंने सवाल पूछा प्रोफेसर पाशा से, वही सवाल पूछा मैंने. इससे पहले कैसे अपॉइंटमेंट होती थी चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर की, बताइए. उसमें थे चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया? नहीं थे. एक चिट्ठी लिखी जाती थी और अगर आदिल हसन पसंद आ गए तो आदिल हसन बन जाएंगे सीईसी. शाबाश. अगर सिद्धार्थ शर्मा जी पसंद आ गए तो वो बन जाएंगे. अंदर से कोई अगर फोन करके बता रहा है मीटिंग में क्या हो रहा है, अगला सीईसी वो. ऐसे बनते थे सीईसी. प्रोफेसर पाशा, फैक्ट ये है और इलेक्शन कमीशन इसे कह चुका है कि एट एवरी स्टेज ऑफ प्रिपेयरिंग द फाइनल इलेक्टोरल रोल पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज वर इन्वॉल्व्ड. तो फिर क्या प्रॉब्लम है निखिल जैन?
It's very important to understand that right now Sanju had questioning TN Sessions, somebody who's very well known and very well respected, as eating politicians for breakfast. He didn't care whether they were from the Congress or the BJP or any other party. That man was a fair election commissioner. Yes, he was appointed by a process which included only the government, and that was a wrong process. But that is not to say that we have to revert to a wrong process.
Wrong process.
Let's understand that we are a country that's a
developing. If the process was wrong, then all the mandates were wrong. They were under question. Let's start questioning the integrity of those mandates. Will you do it?
When the Supreme Court said that let there be a Chief Justice of India in the selection process, what is wrong in it?
Great question. What is wrong? Sir, when did you realize that let's include the Chief Justice of India after 75 years?
ना मतलब ऐसा बिल्कुल इमीडिएट नहीं सोचे हैं, बट सोचेंगे.
Pranesh ji, there is always a scope for improvement.
Okay. Professor Pasha, on a matter of principle, for the larger interest of transparency, let's have the CGI. Now, answer this question. Should a convicted politician, someone like Lalu Prasad Yadav, be the head of a party, president of Rashtriya Janata Dal? बताइए sir. बोल पाएंगे आप? नहीं बोल पाएंगे Professor Pasha?
You know it well that how the conviction and the how.
Oh, now, so you have the CGI, but you don't believe in judiciary. Professor Pasha, अभी जो last sentence बोला था, वो तो मत भूलिए.
दोनों भाइयों, सिस्टम पार देंगे.